rocking fishing boys, and today we going up. We going up
Edith
Falls.
Waterfalls, yeah. Well, I shout not anybody.
Life living. I went yesterday and they catch a nice cavall, so they're going back today.
Yeah, they catch a small one. Only when we go there, we catch big ones.
Yeah.
And where you say, Kyle? You shout not any of your school friends?
Javalo, Levan, Stecky. Yesterday I went by them and we play football and things.
Oh, nice.
I'm tired and my back hurting.
So we get up early to do a little hike.
Yeah.
This is the golf course. And the end. Yeah. And the entrance to the falls is right here. So we go take a walk.
Hey, what's he pointing?
This is the entrance to the falls.
I didn't mean to have water to drink.
So we now walk up. We've taken our first water break, and well, everybody, mommy and them saying they're thankful for the water break. Kyle just going all the way up.
Kyle,
get going.
Kyle. See now on top there. Okay,
The
Quite
river right
comfortable.
there. Right now in dry season, so we don't really get much water coming down.
But the trail not hard.
Yeah.
It's an easy walk so far. What the mark on the trail?
1.2 kilometers.
And easy?
Easy.
Easy. So we go in here. So we will let them know we about halfway through the trail, I guess.
Yeah.
We don't know when we reach. We'll take a water break and head up.
Yeah.
So you reach a point in the trail that have two ways you could go. Keep to your left. So that is the falls. Well, I don't think it have water that way. So when you reach this point, one going up the mountain and the next one you're going left. So head left towards the clear part in the mountain. And this is the part to reach the falls. Passing on it. Oh yeah. And we're going around.
Now you know where it's called, the mushrooms.
Have a name for them. Anybody could let us know what's the name of these mushrooms here. So we now reach the top of the falls. How long do you think the hike is? Maybe?
21 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, look, they got a nice pool. You see? It might. Gotta find a pool down here. And reach. You're not dry. Good thing.
Wait. So the waterfall coming from there.
It'll be real high.
It landing there, then. I want to get hit from the waterfall from straight up there.
So at least it's our water. Today is what the 10th. Today's the 10th 11th of January. It's our look up here nice and clear. It's clear.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Madam, we're full of water.
Yeah. Oh, there gonna be a pool.
Right, we're full of water.
It's big. At least it's up.
Daddy, see the right watch?
Yeah.
No, like on top, the water, the breeze taking you on to the right. And daddy watch. You can hike up to the waterfall.
Oh, wow.
And then take your time of water since you're empty, so.
Do you want to try this?
So, Kyle, Catching fishes.
You trying?
I caught one.
Any pool low along bigger you get
Yeah,
more.
but you cannot catch them if the pool deep.
Oh,
They will swim.
so it have a pool low along
You
here.
see, that's right.
Yeah, I go in now.
Deep enough for jumping. From here.
Maybe when I feel when we go down I'll continue the video.
You have to do that? We gone,
Yeah. He won't bite him, he won't bite him.
Wouldn't bite at all.
What did you step on me wooden?
Well, he come in the
Ooh,
Wow.
that's
Bring
big.
it closer. We get one with him. Sorry, crab man.
a nice.
Let me one now.
Wait, now I don't catch him. I just want to find him and catch him.
Yeah. Crab and
A nice crab here.
Did you keep them?
No.
I just want to find him and catch him. The kinds of eggs too.
Don't rough him up, don't do that now, don't rough him up.
That egg.
See?
Right.
I
So
can
we
go
will let
there.
him go. Yeah, so we stop by next pool. This is the last pool I think. The water flowing.
Come over this.
Yeah, last deep pool. Taking our last bid. They taking the time to come down. And we walking down the spring with the water running. Heading back out. So it's an easy hike as you say at the start of the trail. And best time to go is rainy
Because
season.
look at the sun on the rock.
You see? And there's the waterfall in the background there.
Bye. Down the hill.
Right, so we now come down the walk from walking down the spring, them still coming down. And then here you're taking back the track. I think that this trail is to go around the mountain, you know. You just come back around by Macri by the car park. I think there's a trail going up there, up the mountain. Yeah. And you say head back out now.
You see all the chop marks on it?
Yeah, we're going to chop it to see the rubber. A rubber tree right here on the track.
Strong enough? Nah, he's not strong enough, man.
Nah, it's coming out. That tree is not a big tree.
He's not strong enough.
Easy.
Hello. It's the vine set, but the branch not set. Oh, he's saying, you know what you got to shut up.
Yeah, I think the whole tree shaking.
Oh, I think I took out some concrete. But when you see like that. Nah, man, the tree not touching concrete. Got the concrete tree behind it. Then, there's a one over here. And then. Bye.
What kind of thing fall on the tree?
Have a branch and thing fall.
So we nearly reach out the track.
Look at the ground there, my brain. I rope on.
Easy walkout. Right.
So we now finished the hike up Edith Falls. It had two good pools, and when they went up, it really have a biggish pool at the top because it was during dry season. But the best time comes about around rainy season, so you get more pools and more water.
Alright, so Olia, to close off.
Nothing else.